Hi. Today, I will be discussing Canada's participation in the World Health Organization and global initiatives. Who are they? Established in 1948, the World Health Organization (WHO) functions as a vital component of the United Nations, fostering connections among nations, partners, and individuals to advance health, safeguard global well-being, and aid the vulnerable. Through a workforce exceeding 8,000 professionals, comprising esteemed public health authorities such as physicians, epidemiologists, scientists, and managers, WHO orchestrates global responses to health crises, promotes wellness, prevents diseases, and enhances healthcare accessibility.
Canada's global initiative. Being the third member state to approve the WHO Constitution in 1946, Canada played a pivotal role in its formation. Dr. George Brock Chisholm, a Canadian, was instrumental in drafting the Constitution and became the organization's first Director General. Canada collaborates closely with WHO to advance both domestic and global health priorities, sharing expertise and ensuring that WHO policies align with promoting and safeguarding the health of Canadians and people worldwide. In response to health emergencies like the COVID-19 pandemic, Canada actively cooperates with WHO, working towards the reduction of global diseases such as polio, HIV/AIDS, and tuberculosis, as well as advocating for women's and children's health rights and global health security. Canada's engagement extends to supporting national health programs in low- and middle-income countries, alongside collaborating with WHO's regional offices, such as the Pan American Health Organization. With Canada's backing and that of other donors, WHO has achieved significant milestones, including 1. Taking the lead on the Access to COVID-19 Tools (ACT) accelerator to make sure everyone has fair access to COVID-19 treatments and vaccines, with continued strong backing from Canada. 2. Assisting countries in maintaining essential health services during the COVID-19 pandemic, emphasizing gender-responsive and rights-based primary health care. 3. Advancing research in the Human Reproduction Program to sustain sexual and reproductive health services amid the pandemic and beyond, or providing emergency health relief in various crises worldwide, such as the Rohingya crisis, Ebola outbreaks, and natural disasters. 5. Enhancing biosafety and biosecurity measures, particularly in response to the Ebola outbreak in Sierra Leone. This remarkably reducing polio cases by over 99% since the launch of the Global Polio Eradication Initiative in 1988. 7. Saving an estimated 66 million lives globally through tuberculosis diagnosis and treatment via the Stop TB partnership between 2000 and 2020. Canada's involvement in promoting peace, human rights, environmental sustainability, and global development holds important significance both on the global stage and within Canadian society. When it comes to peacekeeping and conflict resolution, Canada boasts a rich history of involvement in United Nations peacekeeping missions, ranging from the Suez Crisis in the 1950s to more recent efforts in places such as Afghanistan and Haiti. By actively engaging in these endeavors, Canada not only contributes to calming conflicts and stabilizing regions, but also reaffirms its commitment to international cooperation and security. This strengthens its reputation as a peaceful nation and a responsible global participant. Canada is unwaveringly dedicated to advocating for basic freedoms and human dignity for everyone, whether domestically or internationally. Through diplomatic avenues, active participation in global forums, and backing of human rights groups, Canada strives to uphold values of inclusivity and diversity, aiming to create a fairer and more just global community. Canada's substantial natural resources and environmental influence underscore the importance of its efforts to address environmental challenges. Through initiatives like the Paris Agreement and domestic policies targeting greenhouse gas emissions reduction, Canada aims to combat climate change and foster sustainable development. These actions contribute to global conservation endeavors and protect the welfare of future generations. Canada plays a crucial role in global development assistance, offering significant aid to developing nations through diverse channels such as official development assistance, ODA, humanitarian aid, and support to international organizations. By investing in initiatives to reduce poverty, improve access to education and healthcare, and spur economic growth in disadvantaged areas, Canada fosters global stability and prosperity while solidifying its reputation as a compassionate and altruistic nation. The impact of Canada's actions on the global community and Canadian society is profound. 1. Global influence. Canada's engagement in promoting peace, human rights, environmental sustainability, and global development boosts its influence and reputation worldwide, shaping international norms and policies to advance its interests and values globally. Multilateral cooperation. Canada's participation in global initiatives highlights the significance of multilateral cooperation in tackling intricate global issues. Collaborating with other nations and international organizations amplifies Canada's effectiveness in advancing shared objectives like peace, human rights, and sustainable development. 3. Domestic benefits. Canada's commitment to global issues also yields benefits at home. For example, efforts to address climate change can lead to cleaner air, water, and a healthier environment for Canadians. In conclusion, Canada's active involvement in global initiatives, including the World Health Organization, showcases its dedication to health, peace, human rights, and the environment. Through international collaboration, Canada boosts its global influence and reaps domestic rewards like enhanced security and prosperity. Ongoing participation is vital for Canada to tackle global issues and promote a fairer, more sustainable world.